All right, number 6. They get really bad. Here we go. All right, so this one's hilarious to me. I don't know if you saw this.
I know.
Watch him try to get this block. This is really bad. Reach for the block, doesn't get it. Turns around, tries to fix his helmet. In the middle of the play, not even paying attention, and boom, got boomsticked. And then he rolls. His own guy has to hurdle him. So, and then he makes the tackle. What do you think about that one?
That was bad.
I kind of want to do that one more time.
I got the block at the beginning, at the very beginning. I was helping him, and then
kind of helping, yeah. Kind of got blown back, I guess. You kind of blocked Parson, but
yeah.
Oh well. I just think it's funny because you got hit pretty hard here. You got to get your head around quicker. Boom. Post that on YouTube.